how to link your TikTok account to TikTok shop. Now, this is what usually happens. This is set as default. So once you have registered and applied for TikTok shop to be one of the seller, then you will be asked to log in using your TikTok account. But if you did not log in using your TikTok account, then it will not be automatically linked in. Now, for you to be able to link it, all you have to do is to use the desktop or the web browser version of Seller on TikTok.com's official site. And here, just simply log into your account, and then once you logged in, all you have to do from the left portion of your screens, you will see a bunch of options. Just head directly to My Accounts, and then you will only be seeing three options once you clicked on My Account. Now in there you should be able to see link TikTok accounts, and then in there you will be redirected to your TikTok profile for you to be logged in. And that's how easy and quick you can just link your TikTok account to your TikTok shop.